Well, the housing market sort of goes in fits and starts. And there's a reconciliation going on between the demands of the homeowners or future homeowners and the mortgage market. It'll straighten itself out over time. The important thing that we look at is the people who want houses continues to grow. About 90% of our sales are repair and remodeling. When housing is great, it means people are feeling pretty good about themselves and about their future, which in turn transfers over to the remodeling market. But what we look at, really what motivates our customers is confidence, disposable income, the sale of existing homes, price of existing homes. All the things that go into developing consumer net wealth will determine their propensity to buy decks. So housing is important. We think it generally is going to be buoyant. It may be some time before it returns to the 2 million units a year. I'm not predicting that anytime soon, but I think there are more forces pointing north than south. What I'm concerned about is how difficult it is to get money, what the requirements are for a down payment, what the requirements are for liquidity. It seems as if it's easier now than it was a few years ago, but I think it has a long way to go. The most important thing that our consumers need are jobs. People, if they're worried about their job, they don't look to making a big ticket discretionary purchase. But the job numbers are getting better, more people are going to work, stock market is buoyant, and housing prices are rising, all of which are positive indicators for us. January, February, March were tough months for us. Our first quarter was below expectations. Nobody builds a deck in the snow or the mud. And people don't even look for inquiries until the weather gets warmer. So the new order input has reversed its trend starting April 1. And from April 1 through the present, orders have been pretty robust. So if you look at the fourth quarter of last year, the first quarter of this year, and the second quarter forecast, that's about 14% higher than the same period a year earlier, which is, 3 or 4 times the rate of inflation. So that's not a bad thing.